To create a vlog about 24-hour journey, you will need equipment. 1. Smartphone with a good camera. Primary camera. 2. Portable charger for extra power. 3. Camera tripod for stable shoot. External microphone for clear audio. 5. Action camera for additional perspective. 6. Power bank for action camera. 7. Memory card for storing for 8. Camera bag for protection and organization. Tools. 1. Clip to rock plane to guide your content. 2. Editing software for post-production. 3. Video editing app for mobile edit. 4. Color creation tool for visual confinement. Sound editing software for audio on head. Safety and precaution. 1. First aid kit. Water and snack. Sunscreen and sunshade. Comfortable cloth and shoes. Basic toolkit. Screwdriver, pillars extra. Emergency contact information. Maps or GPS device. Basic self-defense skills.